Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech command prompt video. In this video we're going to look at the System File Checker or Resource File Checker, SFC, and with it if you just type SFC without the slash question mark you get the help because you need to tell it what it is you want to do. And there are a number of options. You can scan, complete scan. You can just verify the integrity of files. And what it is looking for is to check all of your Windows system files, those protected files, to make sure they're current and correct versions. If you think that maybe a file has become corrupted, or part of your operating system files, I should say, have become corrupted, SFC will check those. Now, when you run it, it does take a long time. If you want to look at just a single file, you can do the scan file, and you can tell it which file to look at, but normally you don't know which file it might be. I'm going to run it with the scan now. Now, it is a slow process. It does take it a little time. I'm going to run it, and then with the magic of editing, I'm going to then show you the finished results. Now our scan has completed. You can see that it says that it started, takes some time, it is 100% complete, and it didn't find any problems. That was a good thing. This is something, if your system seems to be acting up or anything, doesn't hurt to run it, and it doesn't hurt to run it every so often. Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos. Please check out and subscribe to our other Dan on Tech channel playlists.